Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Plan With Me. Today we have the Warm and Cozy kit because I figured that with winter coming and it's freezing outside, well not really, it's not really freezing, just really chilly. We don't really use the heater here, at least not really, because everyone has like heated blankets except for me. I also brought out the two washies that I had that match this kit. I don't really have a lot of like darker washies, so this is the only things that I had that matched pretty much. So I'm just gonna get started here and I'm gonna talk through this entire plan with me. Hopefully it's not like forever long. I haven't done one of these in a while where I don't do a voiceover. So I figured I would just like talk to you guys and catch up and everything. So I'm going to start off with the green washi here. So I actually just do this upside down as usual. If you haven't seen any Plan With Me's lately, I haven't filmed one either in a while. And that's only because I got really busy, and whenever I have don't have time to like film, it's because I get busy or I kind of like already know what I'm supposed to be doing, and sometimes I don't like actually like make plans for this. And for the most part, like because I have a school now, I already have like a set schedule for school. Like I just have to do certain assignments and then just turn those in, and I have class like just twice a week, which is a very like big deal, honestly. Because like it's pretty much like the same things like every single like week, but I really needed to like jot down my entire thoughts this week, because I technically did finish all of my assignments last week for this week, because I just kind of like kept going and didn't realize that I had finished them all. I think I'm only missing like the quizzes, but it's like 2 quizzes, and I'll just do those like later. I have to do this upside down still because I can't really see from the other side. So yeah, I have to just do those. And for those of you who are wondering why I went back to school, technically I didn't go like back to school. I am taking like a boot camp course. So it's basically a fast-paced course on specific classes that I was not taught in school and that I kind of need for my like personal like career type of thing. So it's only technically like a year, because I took like I'm taking like the what's it called, part-time schooling, I guess that's what it's called. And yeah, so we're doing that, and I end school in like next September. So for the most part I'm basically like 1/5 of the way through. From now on, I think we only focus on like the projects that we have to turn in. So not a big thing. I just had to do like assignments and learn a whole bunch of stuff. I printed things out because I needed something to take notes on. I couldn't just like read the screen since it's online. I ended up just making an ARC planner with everything inside it, and that way I could just take notes like on top of all the printouts that are technically not printouts. I just printed them out so I could have them for myself. Used some Happy Planner discs, and I ordered some discs off of Amazon, and I just kind of like put it together real quick since I had those already. And I don't really use Happy Planner things, and mainly because I don't like the disc as an everyday thing, but like for notes I don't mind it. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's because like the first time I ever used a Happy Planner, I made myself a notebook, and I also like added in like sketch pages and a bunch of other like dividers and things like that. So maybe because the very first thing I used was a notebook, I kind of prefer them as notebooks over a planner. But I don't know. I do have a mini Happy Planner as my dated planner of the year. I did buy a new planner though for next year. I will show you guys what that is once it comes in. From what the website said, it's supposed to come in next week. So I'll give you guys a flip through of that. I did purchase, it's like a customized like planner from Golden Coil. So once that comes in, I'll let you guys know what I think. I know for a fact that the pages are cream colored, which was like the one deal breaker that I didn't want in a planner, but I just couldn't find anything else that was so customizable with the amount of pages you could actually like put into the planner. So I'll show you guys what exactly I did. for that once it actually comes in. I'll let you guys know my review on that because I hadn't actually heard of anyone buy one before. So let's do all of our boxes as I continue talking nonstop, trying to gather my thoughts. So besides like all that, if you guys did not know, the 12 days of stickers, I am unboxing all of those on YouTube here, so you might want to subscribe if you want to see what's in those. You can purchase the 12 days of stickers still, by the way. I will link that down in the description, and I will link the playlist of this year because I think I made it into a playlist so you guys can see those. I am doing a video a day because I know some people are following along for the 12 days. The other thing is that, and I'm also posting them on Instagram, but I'm posting like the digital version on Instagram, and I'm putting up the 4-page kit and the washi sheet on YouTube because I printed those for myself, and since next year's planner is a vertical, I needed more than just like a mini kit. So you guys will see a different planner next year. Since this year I had the Archer and Olive. I still actually have like tons of pages in this planner, by the way. I just really wanted to go back to a vertical, and I couldn't find one this year that I really liked and could do. So this one's undated, so no problems there. I can always switch back if I don't have like a really big workload. But I did want a vertical planner because there's so much going on sometimes that I really like the list format of a vertical planner because I always make lists. Even if I write something down in this planner and I can like glance at it, I'm always still like making a list somewhere else. So that is why I wanted a vertical like for sure next year. So I'm actually just gonna put like all these half boxes in here and then maybe a couple of quarter boxes. I'm trying to think of what I'm supposed to be adding specifically to this spread because there's so much going on. I think what I'm going to do though, I'm just going to put flags for like the days I have class and just kind of like have those there. So that's Tuesday, and then I'll just do the other green one for Thursday. Kind of don't want that right there though. Oh, I guess I could just do a list and then add that in. Also, let me grab a checklist. And let's do one of these small boxes. Right, small box, and then I'll do a checklist under that. I lost my train of thought now. So yeah, we have the 12 days of stickers, and I am working on a whole bunch of things for the new year. Not necessarily like this year. I decided that we do have the 12 days of deals. I haven't done that literally in like years. The last time I did the 12 days of deals, I want to say it was maybe like 4 years ago. I did it like the first year I had the shop, and then the second year as well. I think I can't remember if I did do it the second year, but literally that was like 2016, and I can't remember if I actually did have the 12 days like the following year. I want to say I didn't because it was so much work and I maybe forgot. Maybe I did. I don't keep track of these things. I just know that I first did the 12 days of deals like 5 years ago for the first time, and then afterwards I think I forgot like maybe the first and second year, and then I forgot because it's been, this is like the 5th year. The shop has been open 5 years. Did not do a shop sale this year. Kind of like threw me off. Like I honestly, like this year has been like such a whirlwind that I cannot remember half of what happened, and it feels like so long ago. Like March was like years ago, and I know it was literally like this year, but like it's just been like such a weird year. So yeah, anyway, what else are we doing? Let's add this one here. Today's chore. I guess I could also put something in here, but it's fine. Really, I just want to kind of like sit down and chat because I haven't done a plan with me since last month. I always forget to edit things. I'll film one and I never edit. I forget to continue like editing. But since I actually have like most of the 12 days of stickers and I have most of them edited, I actually have time to figure out other content because Instagram is only getting the 12 days for the next 12 days. I can actually show you guys how I did the entire grid if you're wondering. I wanted to see how long it would take me to finish something. Okay, I do not need the grocery shopping one. Let's do the work one. So yeah, I can show you guys how I did that. I filmed it. I wasn't sure when it would like get posted. I've also kind of want to let you guys know that the Tuesdays and Thursdays, whenever I have class, because of the fact that I have class at 3 p.m. and sometimes class either will end on time or it doesn't, and the post office closes at 5, so even if I like get off of like the Zoom call at like 4, so I decided that on Tuesdays and Thursdays only, unless I like already have everything packaged, I am not going in the post office after 1 or like 2 p.m. And that's also because of the fact that sometimes I forget to have lunch at 2, and I have set alarms now for myself, because if I do not eat lunch at like 2, I won't eat lunch until like after 5, and that's basically dinner time. So I decided that for my own well-being, if the orders are not, why am I keep pulling up bill dues? It takes a little bit less stress out of my 2 days. So it's just 2 days. So normally I would go to the post office Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays on a normal week because of COVID. But we are going to be doing Monday for like any weekend orders that I can like ship out Monday morning, Wednesday and Friday. And just in case there's like a lot of orders that I really need to, you know, drop off, then I'll add in a Saturday drop off like usual. My post office still closes early on Saturdays though, so they close at like noon, so it's not like a very big thing. Sometimes I just know that I can, you know, finish up a few more orders Friday night, evening and stuff, and I just drop them off the next morning, no big deal. And that's usually when I have like really big, like when there's like so many orders that I know I can finish a lot of them for, you know, the next day. And I did that on Friday, last Friday. There was like literally like 10 orders left like on Friday, and I was like, no, I need to finish all of these orders. And I stayed up finishing all the orders. I was down to like one machine, one blade. It was literally like cutting it very close because it was Saturday, and there was I think my blades come in tomorrow on Tuesday. Today's actually Sunday, but tomorrow on Tuesday, that's when I have new blades coming in. And like, I was like, no, I need all of these done. So I was down to one silhouette cutter, also because it was like 1 a.m. and the machines are loud, so I couldn't really work on more like silhouettes anyway. So I was like, I need to just finish all these and things. I also need to do laundry. Let me do laundry. Let's do a load of laundry on Thursday because it fits, and I actually need to do laundry today. Let's do the second load of laundry on Thursday, and also put the laundry away because I really need to do. Let's do put laundry away on Monday because there's a spot there, because I'm totally planning on doing laundry on Monday. No, I'm just kidding. If I put laundry on Monday, I might actually do laundry on Monday. If I put it on Thursday, I might do it then too. But I also need to put away laundry, so the basket is like put away your laundry. I feel like these used to be for work, now they're like for Zoom. And I always forget that. I keep forgetting that we added my class added a second Zoom on Fridays. That only started last week, so maybe if I put this here, I'll remember that there's a Zoom call on Friday morning, and I have to actually wake up early enough to be on that Zoom call. Will I look presentable? Probably not, but as long as I like have my hair up, then it's fine, right? What else do we have? We have a movie night. I'm just gonna stick this on the side here for movie night. I feel like I want to watch the Santa Claus, but that's like tonight. I think I haven't watched that like this year. My sister did, which is kind of lame because I would have watched it with her. I'm gonna keep the cell phone in, and then I'm gonna put this here to remind myself that I need to post on social media. If I put this here, I'll just know post on socials. I'll probably be able to write it in big, very small. I'm gonna put in one of the glitter ones, and then I'm gonna put like this box, cause put on top of each other. Yeah, that might work. Then I have like enough space to add whatever I want on there. small reminders. And then there's a little tiny space here. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this because I cannot see and I don't want to flip my planner around. Okay, there we go. I think that's pretty well done. I did have some Christmas countdowns. Let me go find those because I don't know where I put them. Okay, so I actually swapped with Christina on these. And let me show you guys what I got. So I got a few different things. I got the Christmas countdowns because I wasn't going to make myself some, and I just figured I would grab them from her. And of course I haven't used them because I forgot that I had them. I also got the coffee first ones. I think these are the mini versions. I'm not exactly sure which one I got. But I believe there's 2 sizes. I also got a pin that says I'm crafty like that. I'm going to put this on the bag I use for order drop-offs because that's usually where my pins go. If not on my like lanyards I usually take for events and stuff, but obviously I haven't used those, and the bag I use for orders stays in my car since I use the drive up window and drop things off most of the time. And then we have some stickers that I grabbed. I got the Disney Girl one, the Expecto Patronum one, and Christmas is my favorite. I was actually going to put this on one of my Christmas planners, but I haven't set that up, and I already did all my Christmas shopping. Maybe for next year I'm going to keep it, and then I'll put this one as like the cover because I like doing that. And these are actually like really thick, if you guys are wondering. I think they're waterproof, but I'm not exactly sure. Might want to like check that. I will link her shop down below, but it is ChristinaJeanDesigns.com if you guys can read that. It's like, it's not focusing. There you go, ChristinaJeanDesigns.com, and the Instagram is Christina Jean Designs. Just letting you guys know about that. And today is obviously day 12. Like I mentioned, it's Sunday, but this is going up on Monday, hopefully. So I'm gonna put in the countdown. So I'm actually gonna put in 12. Oops, not 12. Today's 12. My phone just completely fell off my desk. It's 11. So I'm gonna put this. Okay, I'm just gonna put them on the corner because that way I know which day to post for the 12 days of stickers, and that helped me figure out what day I was supposed to post. Because the countdown is, you know, it goes down from on YouTube. So if you guys see all the posts for 12 days of deals, I'm also counting down that. If you join the Facebook group, you will get either the code or the thing early. Okay, so today's deal is actually for those of you who really like the transparent bundles, which are these. This one's missing bow dot, and they're like teeny bundles. So you'll get like 8 sheets of stickers for $3, and it's only tomorrow for 24 hours from noon to noon the next day. So it ends at noon on Tuesday. There's a different deal every day, so obviously that's tomorrow's. For those of you who want to stock up on those. If you want to check out what the rest of the calendar looks like, make sure you join the Facebook group. And if you want to see the rest of the 12 days of stickers unboxings, make sure you also subscribe to this channel. I think that's it for this week's plan. If you guys have any questions or anything that you want me to do, I know I have a few videos lined up. So I think that is it for this week's plan with me. Next week I will probably do a Christmas themed plan with me, most likely, even though this week's was too. But so that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and the 12 days of stickers countdown. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.